In January 2017, Tallink launched a brand new LNG-fueled passenger shuttle, Megastar, on the Tallinn-Helsinki route. Since then, Elenger has provided LNG bunkering services to this environmentally friendly ship. LNG, standing for liquefied natural gas, is delivered with 9 semi-trailers from different sources in Russia, Finland, Lithuania and Poland, guaranteeing 100% supply security. Truck-to-ship bunkering takes place in both Tallinn and Helsinki harbour. LNG semi-trailers are equipped with powerful 1,000 litres per minute pumps that allow bunkering to be carried out quickly. On average, 65 bunkering operations are performed in 1 month, which makes the service to Tallink Megastar the biggest maritime truck-to-ship bunkering operation in Northern Europe. Elenger, clean energy for a cleaner world.